All right, guys, enough is enough. Who is this, bro? Who is this guy right here? He looks like Lil Wayne. Could be Lil Wayne. But is this really Lil Wayne? Because this is the Lil Wayne I remember. The block is hot. The block is hot, remember? Now this Lil Wayne comes out of nowhere. Now listen, this dude is aging real fast. Because I still look the same way I looked 15 years ago. Don't you agree? I mean, he's in a good mood. He's smiling. But he just doesn't look like the Lil Wayne that we all know. Now, does he? Come on, man. Of course he does. Come on. People change, bro. Like, nothing stays the same. Nah, but for real, who's this, though? Who is this dude right here? Lil Wayne, is that you? Something is going on out here, guys. And I am not going to get to the bottom of this. I missed this Lil Wayne. This was the real Lil Wayne. Since way back. Why do people change every time they get rich and famous? Why is that? And people like me stay the same. I always thought the more money you get, the better you will look. What is going on in HW, guys? This video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm just wondering, is that Lil Wayne? I'm pretty sure it is, but he just looks different. That's all I'm saying. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm out.